Welcome to CSE Guru. In this session, we will discuss how to write a C program to find the average of two numbers. First, we have to include the header file hash include stdio.h, and next directly go to main function void main, and within this main we have to write the C code. Since we need to find average of two numbers, we have to accept two input values. So enter two integer variables x and y I am considering. And then to find the average, that is the result, we have to store it. Okay, for that I will use another variable avg. Okay, next we have to accept two input values. Use the printf statement to display the message. Enter the x and y value. Okay, and in the next line it has to accept x and y value. So we will include a new line character. Use the scanf statement, and here the format specifier for integer data type is %d for x and one more %d for y, and use the address operator along with x and y to store the result in a memory location. Now we have accepted two input values. Now we need to find the average. So average value is equal to x plus y divided by 2. Okay. So whenever you are implementing an expression like this, in the sense x value and y value should be added first and then the result should be divided by 2. So here we have to use bracket. X plus y, this operation should be performed first and then it should be divided by 2. Otherwise, what it will happen in the sense, y will be divided by 2 and the result will be added with x. That will happen. Okay, that also we will check it out now. Next, using the printf statement within double quotes, average equal to %d, then avg. Okay, and then use simple return statement. Okay, so now execute the C code. Enter the x and y value. So x value I am entering it as 12, y value is 18. And what is the result we will get it? It is 12 plus 18, it is 30. 30 divided by 2, we will get it as 15. Average, we will get it as 15. Suppose here x value I am entering it as 17 and y value I am entering it as 15. It is 32. So average is 16. Here x value I am entering it as 25 and y value I am entering it as 20. Okay, what is the result we will get it? 20 plus 25, it is 45. 45 divided by 2, in the sense we will get it as 22.5. Here we have to get 22.5. But since the average value we have declared it as an integer data type, after the decimal point, whatever the value here we are getting, that will be discarded. Suppose here I want to find average of three numbers, in the sense what we have to do? Here include one more variable z. Okay, and then here accept three values x, y and z value. Okay, accept three values, and here also we need to accept three values ampersand z. Average is x plus y plus z divided by 3. Average of three values. Okay, now we will run the C code. Suppose x value here I am entering it as 21 and y value 32 and z value again 20. So what is the total we will get it here? It is 73 and the average here we will get it as 24. And here the average value we will get it as 24.33. Since it is an integer data type, it will display only 24. Okay. Likewise, if you want to accept for two or more values also, it will display. Okay. So this is the C code to find the average of three numbers. Okay. Here we have included three numbers and that will be divided by 3 and directly we will get the result. Okay. And here if you are considering in the numerator, we have used the bracket. Suppose if you remove the bracket, what it will happen, we will check it out. Okay. So this is a simple expression x plus y divided by 2. And here only two operators is there. One is addition operator and another one is division operator. According to this expression, which operator is having highest precedence, that operation will be performed first. So here y divided by 2 will be performed first and the result will be added with x. That is the purpose. Okay, now we will run the program and we will understand the logic. So x value I am entering it as 20, y value I am entering it as 40. So the average value we have to get 40 plus 20 in the sense it is 60 divided by 2 in the sense 30 we have to get. What is the result here we are getting? That is average is 40. How the calculation is done in the sense y value divided by 2 will be executed first. That is 40 divided by 2. We will get it as 20 and that 20 will be added with the x value 20. That's why we are getting the result 40. Okay, one more time we will check it. So x value here I am giving it as 10 and y value here I am giving it as 30. What is the result here? We will get it 40 by 2 in the sense we have to get the average value was 20 but here we will get 25. How we are getting? 30 divided by 2 it is 15 and 15 that will be added with x in the sense we will get it as 25. So for that purpose we have to include here bracket. Within bracket the numerator expression has to be specified. Okay, same value we will execute again 10 and 30. So now x value we are entering it as 10 and y value we are entering it as 30 in the sense now we will get average value as 20. See here. If you remove this bracket, here we are getting 25. Can you understand the logic now? If you remove the bracket in the sense y will be divided by 2 first and that result will be added with x. That will happen. Okay, but here our purpose is numerator value should be added and the total result should be divided by 2. That has to be done so that we are including a bracket here. Very simple thing only, but it will make a great difference in result here. Okay, so for every program, understand the logic of C code clearly. Then you will understand the mistakes easily. Then you can able to correct it. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.